City lights are breathing slow. Midnight hums in undertones. I walk alone but not afraid. Every step I ever made. Glass and smoke, a quiet bar. Reflections turn to who we are. No rush left, no need to prove. I'll move the night moves too. Silence talks when words are gone. Every beat knows where I'm from. In my neon tuxedo, I dance with the dark. No spotlight, no hero, just rhythm and heart. I don't chase tomorrow, I'm good where I stand. In my neon tuxedo, with the world in my hand. Old regrets don't call me now. I made my peace, I know how. Time moves soft when you let go. Every street feels like home. Velvet nights, electric air. I feel alive without a care. No applause, no grand parade. Just every choice I ever made. I don't need a second chance. Life is better when you dance. In my neon tuxedo, I dance with the dark. No spotlight, no hero, just rhythm and heart. I don't chase tomorrow, I'm good where I stand. In my neon tuxedo, with the world in my hand. Let the night decide the flow. No beginning, no goodbye. Just this moment passing by. In my neon tuxedo, I walk through the flames. No fear of the echo, no need for a name. I don't beg for forever, I live while I can. In my neon tuxedo, I understand. City fades, the groove remains. Nothing lost, nothing gained. I smile once, the night says two. That's all I need to do.